If you've been seeing flashy ads about PureLumes.com selling a 10 Royal Canadian Mint Silver bar with government-backed credibility, tamper-proof, security, and sovereign-grade purity, you might be wondering if this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity or just another cleverly marketed website trying to win your trust. That's exactly why I decided to take a closer look, because when a company makes such bold claims, it's important to see if the facts actually line up with the hype. Right away, one of the first things that stands out is that PureLumes.com is a brand new domain, only registered in June 2025, which raises eyebrows because established businesses dealing with high-value items like silver usually have a track record. Then there's the founder. Well, actually, there isn't one. There's no verifiable person behind the business, no online presence, and no credibility to cross-check. Moving further, the address listed on their site appears suspicious, and possibly even copied from another source, which makes the legitimacy of the operation even more questionable. On top of that, their About Us page has noticeable spelling and grammar errors, something you don't usually see on professional sites, especially those claiming to deal with government-backed bullion. The entire presentation leans heavily on marketing buzzwords designed to sound impressive, but offers no real evidence, certifications, or verifiable backing to support those statements. To add another layer of doubt, they showcase user statistics and testimonials that sound generic and fake, almost as if they were created to give the illusion of popularity rather than reflect genuine customer experience. Taken together, all these red flags don't necessarily prove PureLumes.com is a scam, but they certainly don't make it look like a safe or trustworthy option either. So, if you're tempted by those ads, the safest approach might be to think twice before handing over your hard-earned money.